Hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to turn on the tablet mode in Windows 10. So let's get started. Let's open settings. Let's search here. You may click on find settings, click on search for tablet. Tablet. As you can see, this is tablet settings. Yes, here in the system, tablet. Click on this blue change additional tablet settings, click on it. As you can see, tablet mode is off. If you want it on, now the tablet mode, as you can see, very similar to the start menu of Windows 8. Let's turn it off. That's it. And again, hope you guys enjoyed the options. Write down below for us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And have a good day.